Hello friends, today we will be factorizing this expression m square plus 5m plus 6. Let's solve it. M square plus 5m plus 6. See, the coefficient of m square is 1. So 1 into 6 equals to 6, right? So we can write m square 5m we can write in two way. One is 2m plus 3m, another is 1m plus 4m, right? But if we write 2m plus 3m, will it be satisfying our problem? Actually yes, 2 into 3 equals to 6, so we can write it in that way. M common, m plus 2 plus 3 common, m plus 2. So right now we are having a common factor, right? M plus 2 and m plus 2. So here we can write m plus 2 common, m plus 3. So this is our factors of the expression 5 square m square plus 5m plus 6.